here with love and peace. Do you want to know your soul score? Let's discover. Take 2 seconds, relax, follow me through. When we were born, newly born, you do nothing about whoever comes in contact with you for whatever reason at whatever time. You are just comfortable as you are. More importantly, you are even comfortable naked. Around 3 to 4 months till your 3 to 4 years, you start to understand or create a little world of yourself where you come across the relationships and your belongingness, your physical requirements, and some emotions boom up. But still, within that little world of yours, you can be yourself. Also, you can still be naked. And along the journey, when we grow up to our teenage, we might not be as comfortable as we were, but to an extent, whenever it is appropriate and we feel safe, we are still comfortable, naked, and to be ourselves within to ourselves or to our parent. Why? Why do we start covering ourselves? Of course, external environmental factors, cultural requirements, religious rules, and to feel safe, to conceal ourselves, to be more presentable, to be comfortable, to be seen, to be beautiful, to be presentable. So all the factors we start to cover up ourselves and we evolve into something more than what we were. And we settle, we mature. At that point of time, we are comfortable to ourselves or may not be comfortable. We will be comfortable naked in front of mirror, may not be comfortable. But we are comfortable to a partner when it is appropriate, more importantly when it is feeling safe. So at those certain times, as we age, as we get kids, as we cross our middle age, we still choose to be comfortably naked whenever it is appropriate and whenever it is safe and whenever it is required, for whatsoever reason it may be, to one person or to ourselves. Just hold this thought. And now, along the journey of your physical growth, simultaneously your mind and heart. Now, in this context, I would refer to this mind and heart combined as a soul. So our soul also evolves simultaneously as you grow physically. Here we cover our soul's core, the soul's nakedness, with so many layers of values, belief systems, emotions, cultural requirements, life's rules, society norms, community forms, all. And right now it is such a mess of chaotic layer on your soul's core. When it is physical, it is nothing, nakedness. When it is soul's core, it's going to be more interesting because even soul's core has nothing. Actually, it is just there, and whatever is just there, it is joy, it is love, it is peace. So your soul's core nature, our soul's core nature is love. On the external perspectives, we set our expectations, we demand all sort of things to meet what we want. But actually, love doesn't need anything. Our soul's core doesn't require anything. It is just as it is. And soul's naked is something more than the physical nakedness. Adhere to our cultural norms, family belief systems, our own value which we have created, because we want to be emotionally seen, we want to be emotionally accepted, we want to feel belong to someone in a more meaningful, deeper level than physical. When there is a moment in our life where we want to kill ourselves, or when we are abused, or when we want to kill the opposite person, or when we want to scream the hell out of this world, or when we just want to disappear, I would request you all or suggest you all to try, make a conscious effort to get into your soul's core. Like in comparing to physical nakedness, where you make a conscious decision to get naked to one or by yourself because it is appropriate, it is required, and it is safe. Such time, even in an emotional requirement, when you are about to decide something, when you are about to execute your action to an prior action, make an effort to consciously get into your soul's core. Just try to remove all the other layers on your soul's core. Go to the nothingness, go to the peace, go to the core of you where love, that peace, that joy doesn't need anything from the external. So when you go there and then put the situation in front of you without any filters in between, now choose the output you want to execute. I assure you that is not going to be wrong. And to add on, in this world of our mind, there is nothing wrong, nothing right, nothing good, nothing bad. It's all about the truth. Good, bad, right, wrong is all subjective. Truth is not subjective, it's not objective. It is just like love and peace and joy. Truth is always there. Whether you accept it or deny it, it will be based on your expectations, your situations. But truth is what ultimate. When you get into your soul's core, just feel the love for yourself, for everything around you, and you don't need anything back. Everything is in front of you. Accept and then execute whatever is appropriate for the challenging situation you are in. Along the years, we fear everything. We fear the unknown, we fear the physical ourselves, we fear the soul core. But forget about the external consequences. Put yourself there at the center of yourself, your soul's core. Discover love within yourself. So, the core is love and peace. Work towards your conscious efforts to choose love, and peace will follow. If this makes sense, please share to your friends and to your network, and I would like to hear from you, so comment. See you soon. Bye.